Sarah, have you seen my frying pan?
No.
Oh,
No,
bye!
Mrs. Sock, why? Why do you want... What do you... I mean, I haven't seen Clopton and Shovell all day, so you can't be about to hit them with it, surely.
No, Sarah, for a rare occasion, I want to cook with it.
Oh, what are you cooking?
Fried eggs. On toast.
Have you seen the toast? Have you seen the what do you call it? The news today?
Nope.
There have been riots. Quite big riots,
Where?
actually. Over there. Well, I don't know where. Somewhere else.
Okay.
In Salisbury. And
Yeah.
big riots.
Oh, by the way, apparently Clopton and Shovell are on holiday.
They're on holiday.
Yeah.
Hang on. Let's put this together. They're missing.
Yep.
I haven't seen them all day.
No, it's great, isn't it?
And they've taken the frying pan.
Have they? I thought I just lost it.
Well, the frying pans just don't get up and walk off, do they? Unless there happens to be a stripy sock taking it with it somewhere to go and join some riots. Mrs. Sock, you've got to go and get them back.
Nah.
They don't even have a phone. How are you going to get them back?
They'll be fine. They'll borrow someone else's and text me.
Do you have a phone?
Yep.
Do you really?
Yep.
Wow. So, the plan is just to wait.
Yeah, it works all the time.
There's going to be an international incident.
Well, in that case, it's your fault, Sarah, because they're your socks. You should have thought this one through, really, shouldn't you?
How many... Now, come on, think about this. How have they got there? If they're on the train, I mean, people aren't used to seeing socks on the train brandishing a frying pan, are they?
They see them brandishing shoes all the time.
Oh, for crying out loud.
Hop.
Come on, get your coat. We're going to go and find them.
Bye.
Bye.